What if I told you, the best car buffer of 2025 isn't from Meguiar's or DeWalt? Asterisk today, I'm revealing the top 5 pro-grade buffers, including a hidden budget beast that outshines $300 models. But here's the catch, one of these could ruin your paint if used wrong. Stick around, because number 3 will save you hours of work. Oh, and all purchase links? Check the description below. Number 1. Adams Polish's Swirl Killer. Adams Swirl Killer is robust but also comfortable and ergonomic. When running the 9mm Swirl Killer on our car hood, the concave rubber handhold did an excellent job of reducing vibrations. Besides the vibration reduction, the rubber sleeves and handholds would protect the Swirl Killer if dropped. Adams Swirl Killer, it also comes in 12-, 15-, and 21-inch versions, comes with a 5-inch backing pad and is compatible with any 5-inch hook and loop pad or bonnet. But, phew! Was that sticky fabric strong? Prying these pads off the backing plate was like pulling gum from beneath a school desk, not impossible, but not easy. That is not a negative in our eyes. Because of these excellent features and its overall performance, we placed Adams Polish's Swirl Killer right at the top of our best car buffers list. Number 2. Griot's Garage G9. A staple in the car buffing world, the Griot's Garage G9 easily earned a spot in our update of this test. Ergonomically, it felt great, and the G9 includes a handy rubber bumper for setting it upside down when not in use. A polarizing feature on this buffer is the on-off trigger. While some prefer a variable speed trigger, others lean towards the on-off approach with adjustments to speed via the dial. However, the G9's on-off button lets you set your speed, click it on, and take your fingers off the trigger until you're ready to turn it off. While it did polish our scratched-up hood with ease, we noticed a bit more vibration compared to others in this test. Additionally, the tool alone does not come with any pads. However, you can buy kits that do, such as the Starter Kit or Boss Kit. Overall, the ergonomics and performance throw it right into the fold with the best. Number 3. Chemical Guys TORQX. If you're looking for a versatile heavy-duty buffer, the Chemical Guys TORQX has you covered. Though powerful, the TORQX unit is quite dense, weighing in at 8.6 pounds. During the hood challenge, we experienced some slight fatigue in the left arm, but that's to be expected when holding a buffer going 4,200 OPM. While Chemical Guys suggests using their proprietary hex logic pads, the unit utilizes hook and loop backing, leaving you with compatibility for many other pads of your choosing. Additionally, the unit has an interchangeable backing plate, making the TORQX adaptable for both large surface areas and smaller contours. The backing plates are sold separately, however. If you're looking for a product that can adapt the way a professional needs to, Chemical Guys TORQX buffer is the unit for you. Number 4. Batoca. Despite its compact size and lesser-known brand identity, the cordless Batoca is a compelling car buffer capable of up to 5,000 OPM. In addition, it's lightweight, ergonomic, and battery-powered. The Batoca unit has everything you need to get started: 4 foam pads, 2 synthetic wool pads, various bonnets, microfiber cloths, a carrier bag, and an apron. In addition, the package offers 2 batteries to keep buffing even when the juice runs dry. Even with the 2 battery units, we were delighted to discover the battery test ran over 3.5 hours. This colorful, compact unit reminded us of our kindergarten teacher, small yet mighty, practical, and with endless hours of energy. Number 5. Maxshine M21 Pro. With a lofty price comes lofty expectations, and the Maxshine answered the bell. Speed settings range from 1 to 6, with half-step increments in between each for even more choices. We also appreciated the variable speed trigger for smaller sections. We noted the overall feel of the tool is comfortable, especially when paired with the optional handle for better control. Though it causes quite a racket at nearly 90 decibels, it doesn't vibrate as much as other buffers in this test. The power cord measures just shy of 11 feet, which was helpful when moving around our test hood. However, the price is no joke. Add to the fact that the buffer doesn't come with pads on its own, they're sold separately, you'll be investing heavily with this tool. That being said, we feel it matches its price point in performance and comfort. If you prefer a variable speed trigger with incrementally adjustable speed settings, this is the one for you. So, which buffer is your ride's new best friend? Comment #1 if you want that showroom shine. If this video saved you from a bad purchase, smash that like button, it helps fellow car lovers. Subscribe for more 2025 car care secrets, and tag a friend who needs this. Until next time, keep shining.